So, a few weeks back, you were this person just chilling away whenever you had free time, but now your life looks something like this.
Hi, are you someone who has given birth to a baby recently? Or if you know someone who has become a new mommy recently? If yes, then listen to me carefully. It is very normal to feel sad or moody in the first few weeks of giving birth. 4 out of every 5 women experience this. It is called baby blues. I myself experienced this. I used to be very cranky, moody, sad and anxious during the first few weeks of giving birth.
You feel emotionally fragile, you feel always moody or cranky, you could have trouble sleeping or eating, or you feel that you cannot take care of your own baby.
Right from conceiving, then carrying the baby for 9 months in your body, then delivering the baby, and then breastfeeding the baby. And because of all this, a woman's body goes through roller coaster hormonal changes, and this sudden change is responsible for her moodiness or her crankiness.
You suddenly find yourself stuck in a room, repeatedly doing the same things over and over again without any break. This could add to the moodiness.
Now, sleep deprivation is something which every woman or every parent even has to go through. You just cannot avoid it. What you can do is give moral support and help and strength to a new mother or a new parent, and that would help her.
Feeding a baby, putting him to sleep, changing diapers, then again feeding him, again putting him to sleep, all that adds to the fatigue.
A woman's body goes through tremendous changes in childbirth, and this is something we need to accept, acknowledge and appreciate. My doctor told me and asked me just to accept myself the way I am now. And I mean, it's okay to keep improving yourself, working out and all that, but don't become so self-critical about yourself that you are not able to accept who you are and you are constantly having nightmares about your body.
First things first, always try to sleep whenever your baby sleeps. That is the best thing you can do for yourself right now. You should ask for help from your family. Just don't shy away from taking help, please. Like for example, my husband is bathing my baby over here. He always helps me a lot.
One great thing you can do is try to connect with other new moms. This way you can share each other's experiences, and it would help you know that you are not alone in this. Now, this is something very few people will tell you, but you should try to make a schedule for your baby, a routine for your baby as possible. I myself would not let my baby sleep during late evening hours. Even when he was about 2 weeks old, my family helped me through this. He would cry and cry, but we would try to pacify him, distract him. I know babies have their own biological clock, but trust me, setting a proper routine for your baby would help you. It would help the baby sleep the night, and this would in turn help you in the long run.
Last but not the least, live these moments. Try to stay positive. Babies, they only grow bigger. They are not going back. They are not going to get any smaller, and then you will miss this time because they are cute when they're small. Just you will cherish all these moments, and remember, you're not alone in this.
If you notice any new mother going through all this, then please reach out to her, because raising a child, as they say, is no child. Try to be patient with her instead of judging her body, judging her way of parenting and all that. Just try to support her. And remember, this is just a phase. It will eventually go away. Your child is going to grow up and no longer stay in your arms, and then you will miss this time.